to purchase the business is certainly there, but that's just not what
I own the business too. I own the laundromat.
Okay.
I own the building and the laundry.
Excellent.
So I'm not going to give someone a laundromat for free, right? Even though your phone number says free laundromat on it when it comes up. I'm not giving my laundromat for free.
It's laughable, isn't it?
Hey, Steve.
Steve, my name's Danny. I'm calling on some commercial space. I would love to give you a rent check.
So what I don't understand what space you talking about?
There's a laundromat there. That's the spot I'm interested in leasing when the timing is right.
It looks currently occupied.
Yes.
You want to buy that?
That's the spot. The option to purchase the business is certainly there, but that's just not what
I own the business too. I own the laundromat.
Okay.
I own the building and the laundry.
Excellent.
So I'm not going to give someone a laundromat for free, right? Even though your phone number says free laundromat on it when it comes up. I'm not giving my laundromat for free.
It's laughable, isn't it?
Who are you to talk to me like that, you little Jiminy Cricket pest bastard?
So don't let the caller ID fool you, my friend. We're having a conversation. Nobody's asking you to do anything or putting your feet to any fire. You operate the laundry, understood. That makes you the business operator. You also own the dirt, which makes you the landlord. And if you're enjoying that and it's making money and everything makes sense, fantastic. If the amount that you're able to earn versus the amount you might be able to collect in rent somehow intersects, overlaps, and changes, maybe we talk. Or like you said, it's laughable to you, then sell the business or the building or both. Or keep it. If it's doing well, no one wants to sell the goose that lays the golden egg. Laundromats are for sale every day.
Or buildings. Yeah, for sure.
Why is if it's a good business, why are you trying to sell yours?
Oh, that time. I mean, I looked at selling it last year. I took it off the market. You know, I'd be open to selling the laundromat. Not the building, but the laundromat.
Sure, I don't blame you. Keep the real estate and sell the building. If it was a barber shop and you don't know how to cut hair, you probably wouldn't want to do that. What's the sale price of the business?
$250,000.
And how did you arrive at that price?
I talked with a couple of business brokers.
All right, so make me understand what they told you. Why is that the value?
Well, here's the deal. It was over a year ago that I talked to them about it, so maybe I can't regurgitate what they said. But that's the price I'd sell it for. If it's less than that, I just will keep it.
Well, you know, you said you're the landlord and the operator, and I'm just asking you, I mean, if I'm buying a car, there's a blue book. If the mileage is correct and it hasn't been in an accident, that's the price. I might try to get you down a little bit. Doesn't matter if you got the car for free from your uncle, it's still got a blue book value. So here, I might buy the laundry from you and allow you to keep the dirt and give you a rent check on top of it. So how is it that you can't answer the question? Forget about the business broker. Why is it worth $250,000?
Based on the equipment and the sales.
Based on the equipment and sales. Well, which one? It can't be.
So what are you looking at? When you look to value a business, what are you willing to pay? How do you arrive at that number?
I would value the business based on profit, nothing more, nothing less. A P&L statement, a profit and loss.
Mm-hmm.
That's how every business in the So it's 250. I mean,
well, and that's not actually accurate, because if you're starting up a new business, there's no P&L. So there's always above and beyond, right? If you're starting a brand new franchise, there's no P&L to go off of. You're starting a new business.
There's no such thing as a brand new franchise. A franchise is something that's being sold by a major conglomerate, and they plug people in who don't know anything about the business. They do the advertising for them. That's a completely different thing. But I don't want to get into the weeds with you on this. You're the one that wants to sell it. I'm the one that has a checkbook. So you tell me $250,000 for the business rights, and then I'm going to pay you how much in rent? What's my rent?
So I'm willing to do a graduated rent because the business is going to need some work. So I'm willing, it's a 3,300 square foot property, unit. It's not subdividable. I am open to an initial, year at $1,500 a month, gross. I'm willing to, after the, first year, I'll go up to 2,500. And after that, it's at 3,300 for, the third year and beyond. So that
Third
gets it
year
to
through
about a
year
$12
through year
square foot.
15?
Probably not through 15, but probably through 10, and then maybe an increase after that.
Okay, so what you're offering is a very fair rate of rent, but the $250,000 pill that I need to swallow doesn't make sense because you said yourself it, quote, needs work, and that work comes in the form of equipment. I need to replace the equipment. I don't use top loaders in my stores. I don't even use the HE machines that they call high efficiency, the soft mounts. I don't do that. So you and I both know this is true. I need to blow all that out. The only reason I'm calling you is because the infrastructure is there. That's what I'm interested and intrigued in. So I'm not buying infrastructure and I'm not buying a business. Now all of a sudden, Free Laundromat kind of makes sense and it's one of my LLCs. I'm not trying to hurt anybody's feelings.
People like me were targets. I'm blamed for a lot of things I had absolutely nothing to do with. On the other hand, because of who I am, I get away with murder in other areas. I suppose it all balances out in the end.
You and I both know and understand the same thing. I'm not a rube who's going to come in and give you $250K. I'll give you the rent. And if you can swallow that pill and understand that you're now a landlord.
Nope.
I don't know what you made. I don't know how much you've earned over the years, but if you've made money, that was the profit. What's this place making a month? Net.
It only does about $6,000 a month on net. Probably about $3,000 a month net.
Okay, I heard two numbers: $6,000 and 3 is, well, damn. I don't have a single store that does 50% profit, so you're not allocating rent to yourself.
That is right. Correct.
Steve,
That is the rent.
all we've done is talk. And what I've learned is you have an existing business that is not, if I was paying $3,000 a month in rent, I'd be making nothing. That would make me the tenant.
If you didn't, right?
If I didn't retool it.
Correct?
Now we're back to Free Laundromat, aren't we?
Nope, because I won't sell it for free.
Because you
I'll
want to
just
sell
keep it.
because you want to sell it to a sucker, and that's not me.
Well,
maybe that
then
changes.
have a nice day. Thank you.
So have a nice
No,
day.
you know what?
Whoa, sweetheart, you've got someone on the telephone that has X number of locations and is willing to take the time to educate you, and you say, have a nice day? I'm not selling newspapers. He hung up. This is one for the record books. Number one,
Okay.
oh, your caller ID. Yeah, I don't lie about what I do. Not with any single call that I ever make. I have clients that say, well, maybe you shouldn't send them an email with your email address on it. It says Free Laundromat. I don't give a shit. That was I hate to say it, but a masterclass in taking someone with no more than his own numbers in a matter of minutes, in a matter of 10 minutes, and making him go from smug to understanding exactly what Free Laundromat is. Imagine if he does sell it for 250 grand. Look, I ripped the Band-Aid off. I let him have it at the end because we culminated from, I'm not going to sell it for free. What do you mean sell it for free? It's called giving it away. No, it's not. It's called collecting rent. He'll get 300 grand and he'll get it in the form of future rent. Keep this guy's number.
Yeah.
I will happily call him in 6 months and he will happily answer and we'll have the conversation. We have gone from, gee whiz, why would I ever give my business away? It's valued at 250. Oh, the broker said, bullshit. And then I look at your brilliant pictures and I say, you and I both know it needs to be retooled. He stuck his foot in his mouth and then he gave up and hung up on me. I love it.
Yeah.
Love it.
I can't remember, but I think we've also seen the P&L for this place too.
Doesn't matter. He told me what I needed to hear. It makes 6,000.
Yeah.
Net? Oh, net is 3. What do you want to collect in rent? 3? Go f yourself.
Yeah.
Brilliant. Right? I mean, I know you already understand all this stuff, but it's just hilarious. You know what he wants to do? He wants to sell it to someone who's going to fail. And then he'll take it back and he'll do it again. Shame on him.
Yeah. I mean, I think if I'm right, if I remember our laundromats correctly, I think that is what he's done in the past. But I can't be for sure.
What a shame.
I'm pretty sure this hot water heater's got a few more good years left in it.